Often if we do a new AI or data science project, these projects stop on the phase of PoC, proof of concept. I'm Olga Lysak and I lead the German office of Lemberg Solutions based in Hamburg. We offer as an IT service provider hardware and firmware development and can help startups with solution architecture for their deep tech project or with technical audit of their PoC. There are more requests from German companies for AI projects. Often if we do a new AI or data science project, these projects stop on the phase of PoC and it takes really a lot of time within the company to move it on another stage that the company can persuade their employees really to use these new developments and to make a real product out of this. So sometimes it's like a cemetery of PoCs. There is more need for really solution architects in this area, for people who have industry knowledge. We have not so often now clients coming with clear requirements. Often we need to have a discussion there, what is the best architecture for this new project. Sometimes it's also a combination of some ready tools and customized development. Luckily, Lemberg Solutions has in several industries wide knowledge, so we do a lot of projects in logistics, in energy sector and healthcare. We have even a special healthcare certification. So it helps us to raise talents there who have this bright industry knowledge.